Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to install VMware ESXi on VMware Workstation step by step. This guide is perfect for beginners who want to build a home lab or learn enterprise virtualization. First, we need to download the VMware ESXi ISO file. Go to the official VMware website and download the ESXi ISO image. Once the download is complete, we will use it to create a virtual machine. Now, open VMware Workstation and click on Create a new virtual machine. Select Typical Configuration and choose the Installer Disk Image File option. Then browse and select the ESXi ISO file. Next, select the guest operating system. Choose Linux and select Other Linux 5X or later kernel 64-bit as the version. Now, give a name to your virtual machine, for example ESXi and choose the location where you want to store the VM files. In the disk configuration step, assign at least 40 GB of disk space. You can store the disk as a single file for better performance. Next, click on Customize Hardware. Assign at least 4 GB RAM and 2 CPU cores. Make sure to enable virtualization by selecting Virtualize Intel VTX or AMD-V under Processor Settings. Now click Finish and Power on the virtual machine. The ESXi installer will start loading. Once the installer loads, press Enter to begin the installation process. Accept the license agreement by pressing F11. Next, select the disk where ESXi will be installed. Choose the available virtual disk and continue. Now set a strong root password. This will be used to log into the ESXi host later. After that, confirm the installation and press F11 to start installing ESXi. The installation will take a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, remove the ISO file and reboot the virtual machine. After reboot, you will see the ESXi console screen. From here, you can configure the management network and note down the IP address. Finally, open a web browser on your computer and access the ESXi web interface using the IP address. Log in using the root username and the password you created earlier. And that's it, your VMware ESXi installation is complete. In the next video, we will create virtual machines inside ESXi and build a complete lab environment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.